Get him. Get him. I hope that's alone. Yeah. Yeah. Get him, baby.
What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today it's time for us to watch some more amazing instant karma moments, as you can tell by the title. So thank you very much for the support, I love you all, and now with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, let's get this party started. Whoa! Judging by his overreaction, he has a history with a 5-0, I'm sure. And also, by the way, nobody, literally nobody, a person without a license, spins in front of the cops. I don't know why, but people without a license or with warrants or whatever, they, instead of keeping a low profile, they choose to attract unnecessary attention. You know what I mean. And make the police job easy. So, moving on to the next episode of Parking Lot Criminals. Let's see how many years will this guy get behind bars. Not on my watch, boy. Now, come on. We all have done this. Admit it. Admit it down in the comments. Whoa, truck, you need to chill out, bruh. He deserves a ticket, that's for sure. That was a stupid move. But anyways, we are moving on to the country where you kill spiders with a frying pan. Is that an ambulance or the police? Oh, you cheeky sausage. You should have let him through. But on the other hand, I think most of the time people are doing this because of bad judgment. So sometimes the police shouldn't be so harsh on them. But sometimes, yeah, they should be harsh, because there are many of entitled dingleberries out there. But anyways, on to the next one. Oh, they always do this when they lose a race. They always do this. They lose a race and then they hit you with a whoop whoop. Oh, is that a... Oh, look at that Corvette. That's a nice color. I like it. No, don't do it. Don't cut people off. No. Come on, I just gave you a compliment. Don't make me change my mind. Oh, look at him, like one illegal lane change wasn't enough. And luckily this time it's right in front of a cop. So how convenient is that? Or maybe the police saw him struggling and then decided to help by escorting him all the way to the right. But their help ain't cheap. But no, seriously, that's why we have traffic jams, because of the people like him. Oh, looks like when they were giving away patience, that guy was sleeping.
What's wrong with this guy?
Please don't do that, man. Don't be a dingleberry. And look, he's still not giving up. The guy in a silver car won't back off, and he's still not giving up. Oh! That's the 5-0, mate. All of a sudden now he's a nice guy. All it took was a whoop whoop to humble him. That was excellent. Perfect moment. Oh, easy challenger. But we'll give him a pass on this one. It wasn't too bad. Oh, that was a red. And we all know what's gonna happen now. There we go, there we go. Tell me guys, what's the punishment for running a red light in your country? How much you have to pay and how much points you get on your license for that? Whoa, easy boys. Take it easy. No, no. If you continue, both of you are gonna crash. Or even worse. But luckily you've been spotted by a government. They are really worried about you. Who's gonna pay taxes if you die? Sorry guys, let's continue, let's move on. Oh, hi there, bicycle. That must be some new generation of bicycles, because I haven't seen one of those before. They usually have 2 wheels. But the 5-0 is on the case, so no fear, Popo is here. Oh, we all know where this one is going. He's gonna power through the red light, probably.
Oh,
yep, there he goes. There he goes.
What's up with people going through red light?
You ain't gonna catch him, mate. He's on a bicycle. He's on a motorcycle, I mean. And he's gone. And where's the Popo, by the way? Oh, there he is. But I doubt he's gonna catch him, because he was sleeping for 15 minutes before he decided to chase that guy. So let's see here. I think you're a bit lost, my dude. But don't worry, you're gonna pay a few tickets and then they're gonna point you at the right direction. Actually, guys, my people have a saying perfect for this situation. Pišeš uz vetar pa se čudiš što si mokar. Which means you're pissing against the wind and you're wondering why you're wet. And I think it's beautiful. Hold on, wait a minute, what happened? I missed the action. Probably someone ran a red light. I'll check it later. Whoa, hold your horses, dude. Where are you going, bruh? Oh, that took a turn. That guy's mad. Oh, hello there, sir. You're nicked, sunshine. What do you think, guys? What's his excuse? What would be your excuse if you were in his shoes? Oh, here's another bike. Probably it's gonna do the same as the guy from earlier. But let's wait and see. Power! And he's gone. That was the police on the left, but it's too late now. No. And here they are. Nope, you're not getting him. Unless he willingly stops. But I don't know about that. So moving on. So far so good. Oh, I wonder if you know how they live in Australia. Oh no. He got caught in 4K, unfortunately for him. Oh, that's a long queue. And it looks like someone's getting impatient a bit. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. Gotcha. And now he's gonna lose even more time and money. So I think it's not worth it. Sometimes it is, but usually it isn't. Alright, let's see here. Oh, no, no, no. Well done, my dude. Well done. Let me turn around real quick. Out of all those people, you choose to pull up in front of a cop, so that's a job well done in my books. Sarcasm alert. And on that, guys, ticket, it's time to wrap up this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to see more of this, please subscribe if you haven't already, of course, and also leave a like and a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.